Wagwan guys, welcome back to the channel. In the video here, basically, curry some fish and eat with bread for breakfast, you see me? Yeah. Right about now, more and go catch a fire and all that. I don't know say outdoor cooking vibes and all that. So before we cook fish, me I go make some tea, some fever grass tea mixed with lime leaf or orange leaf with ginger. Yeah man. I don't know say the ginger give a very nice flavor. So I eat the fish with bread and all that. So one cook tea first and go and drink it in the meantime when the fish are cook. Yes, so Martin, stay tuned for the video, people. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, share the video, help me grow. Yeah man, share the video. And remember say when you share the video, tell the person who you share it to subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, just subscribe man. There's a 3 option. All, personalized and none. Just click all. When you click all, every time you post, you'll see the video. Yeah man, so just do the right people. So I'm gonna pick the fever grass now and the lime leaf and all that. So soon come back, I bring you up on the journey. Oh, and also follow me at Jeff876 and Yasta Adventures. The link for page them down below in the description. Just scroll along, click it and give me a follow. Because before I post on YouTube, I always post a snippet for me I do. So when you can follow it, if you keep up to date and want to go and see me, so soon come back. So pick some onion leaf now. Yeah, man. And next, fever grass or lemongrass. Yeah, man, this was good. So, just wash some of them, you know, with the ginger and throw it on the fire. Alright, people, so the fire side set up already. So, I'm going to do now, light the fire and throw on the pot. You see me? So, I'm light it now and I'm throw on the pot. Alright, guys, see fire there, fetch, right? And I'm cooking at this pot. Fix some more fever grass because, you know, mother, I'm cousin want my tea, so I'm going to put some more fever grass in it. So, a sharp time now. Goodness, they wash off, you know. Ginger time. So I mash up now. I'm going to put it on fire time now. So let's wait until pot start boil up, people. They'll be checking back on with them. This don't boil. You see me? I don't know it's not the time to boil. And see the fish here, the fish I already season up on Sunday because I live on Sunday, right? It's a normal freshwater fish, tilapia, you see me? Yeah. Season on Sunday and it is tough. Some people want to from last night, so hopefully it don't spoil. Yeah. And type thing I use. You have Irish scallion thyme, sweet pepper, you have garlic in it. Use this, yeah. and pepper. And some Maggi season. At the curry in the Maggi season up. I have everything back here. Yeah. So basically, everything I'm gonna use. Okay. Yeah, that be stubborn, be smoke. So I have to blow up it. If you give me a warm time, you must time blow up. You blow and push up, stick them. Enough time to give me a warm time. I swear. But the water just start boil now. So that's a good sign. Right now I get hungry. So as soon as the tea done, I'm gonna check what I could do. So soon come back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take it off the pot now. Can't get no longer, I swear. So I'm gonna take it off now, but it looks like cook anyway, so take it off and throw it. Now this. Oh god. Leave me to that and this and get the pot back on the fire again for the fish. So now it's no time, so take off time. I'm a girl, they don't waste people. They don't waste. Can't wait to see her. So take off. So see Peter guys. And just try back them here. Just give me a warm time now. On the fire and blow it up. Alright. Look the fire under there, so time to sweeten the tea. And everybody know black tea, bush tea, can't too sweeten it too much because then some people then ginger pieces some people just eat the same, eat it. Because ginger good for you, see me? Alright people, that finished. That finished guys. See the pot already. Want the island now, so I'm going to go for the island. Guys, island pot a little bit more to saute the vegetable them. Don't need much. Yeah. And my consumer tea now, share between me and mother. Right now I'm 9 today. 9:27 now. Time of eat, time of eat consume. So I drink some tea now. Been a while I drink tea. Long time because I'm not really a tea fan. Some of me have tonight. Yeah? You can see it in the cup. I consume in the cup here because we don't have a cup here already. You see me? So you can taste the smoky flavor in the tea, I swear. So I'm throwing the curry and the garlic in the pot now. So I'm done drink this first. So I'm soon come back. See you guys, the tea is hot. I swear. So I want to have a drink. So I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to drink some water out of the back of my here, so I'm not sure. I drink from the pipe here, man. Nah, I'm going to water because I don't know if I want my water, so Can't wait, I can't magic on the pipe, soon come back. Alright. Curry time now. Burn some of the curry. Bit of garlic. Yeah, blaze too hot. Take off the pot a bit. Yeah, a little hot. All the curry fire burn up. See here. So, see? Yeah, leave it hot. Full to know. We can put a pot on fire now, guys. Mix out this first, so I soon come back. Alright, so put on back this on the fire. Wow. And then throw in them. This now coming with a lot of people. They are too hot. They are too hot, I swear. So let's see it over, see when still. They are too hot. The things every night we start burning. So I'm so confident people. When time to boil up, we check back with the noise and some soon come back. Alright guys, I just broke the fire a while ago because the fire is dead down. Why I can't buy them stick here? I swear them not blaze, I blaze smoke. Them stick here is not good. They're not good none at all. So but at this time I was using up, I don't know why it's a bit today. They smoke. Maybe because it's not that dry. You know. And thing and as you see the oil is too hot. So what I do I take out the pot, make it oil cool down and change the oil. Yes, because the oil get hot and start burning. So I see it turn out the same way because we don't throw everything in it. So I see it turn out. Yeah. And I add Maggi seasoning in it and salt after I turn the camera. You see me? Because my name is Maggi seasoning, I remember it. But remember it, put in it and the salt and things. So when the coconut do start boil up and I go down, then put in the fish. Oh, so kill me. Yeah, but still I enjoy fish same way, you don't know. So what I'm going to do, I go toast some bread and eat the fish. So when the fish done, I put the bread over the fire and I eat toast the bread. Yeah man, so when the soon see all that. So when things are boil up, I check him I couldn't know. So soon come back. Alright people, so me pot boil up, so see how I know people. So they can take out some of them here. So say want to watch a pot people now cook. Don't know say if my curry cook good now guys. have to make the curry cook good and the coconut milk cook good because you don't know say curry one thing way easy for hurt in the belly and coconut milk one thing easy for hurt in the belly. You see me? And at the first me I cook this, yeah. First me I cook curry fish. And okay now go good to it. I swear to make it now good because the oil you get too hot and start burn. That's because when I drink the tea, I drink water out of the pipe and I never know that so they put at the fast. Never know say that fast because when I make a tea, it'll give me a warm time guys, it'll give me a warm time. For your slow, so you have faster than me think. You see me? So I'll say go sale one of them day there. So next time I make this, I know say make sure say watch your pattern and it'll be better next time too. Come before the fire get too hot for me, I never know so you better go and come and make it tea. The tea take about half an hour to boil up. You must know how the fire dug with me, how stressful it was because we have blowable with me and thing. But next time I check him I could do now. I put the fish in the pot. Yeah, because I don't know say fish don't take no time to cook anyways. Yeah, so one time I had that and boil up and boil go down them training fish because within 10 minutes time fish don't cook. Because fish cook within 10 to 15 minutes time, so come up with people. So come. Alright guys, so check in on this now. Let's see. Oh god, beating. Yeah man, then cook already. I want to boil on some more guys. So because I know the fish too much out, you see me, so I soon take back to do when time it's done. Boil on how I want it to. So I'm tired now. Pick up one jelly. Yeah, so come along. Some pan of cheese, you know. But I'm not trouble one here. Pick off the sea and green one, or pick off what day? Yeah. Yeah man, I finished picking for the bunch right here, so I want a decent camera. Anyways guys, picking for the bunch right here, so alright, so chapter now for this. Chop it one right here, so picking the entire bunch. I'm gonna show you something. End up picking the entire bunch and drink you one the pick before. And yeah. Guys, remember in the party video we come pick jelly after the 3 year and we couldn't find one of the jelly them. I'm gonna show you something look right here, so I'm gonna zoom the camera. See the jelly I couldn't find? Look like somebody see. Come and pick it and see where it drop and just rock back after my gone and drink it there right here, so yeah man. But I don't say go still, so I cut out the jelly there, 2 for me and give the sister one jelly too. You see me? She see me and said me couldn't pick on for her too, so I'm just pick on for her. Just pick entire bunch. Yeah, because I didn't get jerk already. One more bunch for the tree now, on the full one. See the right here, so see the right here, so yeah man, so maybe that can drink, I'm not sure. I want on the tree around here, so alright guys, so then put in the fish. The season is on Sunday guys. As I said before, go. Take over the pot. You don't know, so within 10 minutes time, this done before, fish don't have time to cook. So we'll check back with the people. So soon come back. Alright guys, so this last time I know. Yeah, so this basically finished now guys, so consume time now. I think I'm gonna do bread again. Because if I move so slow I can't bother. But this is just no longer swear. So I'm gonna eat bread. See me so we don't toast it. You see me? See, look at can toast my guys already. I'm gonna get the bread them and try. I eat it like it. Can't bother there man, so I'm gonna do eat the bread with this same so can't bother toast it. That's how I eat. Can't bother so this me I do now. So basically more to jelly guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick a jelly and eat this. But even though the oil did a burn and give me some black salt coming out at first, you know, too bad I swear. So kind of anxious to taste it. Soon come back on the video. Soon checking back. Soon checking back. Alright guys, now I've been able to upload now. Basically upload already. Now privated from the show from last week. I video right here, so outdoor cooking, so the Dominican Surface show. So make it public and know. Someone just done film a video, well, yeah. See there, public. See me have no video you can watch, really. If you using kind of low, so I want to share the video then get happy if you know about me. See there, enough video. See there, enough video. Yeah man, see there fishing. See there. See there. Starfish. Run down. Woodwood Road. See there, fishing of a tropical storm grace. Barbecue chicken, kebab. See there. Tin mackerel run down. See the jerk, lignin, fishing in Doval. See the escaping, the lockdown, no movement there. See the two of them video. See the brown soup chicken, brown soup saltfish. Yeah man, enough video in the can watch. See the enough video. That one here, I come Friday. That one here, curry chicken foot. Yes, this I come Friday. So time to consume the curry fish now. So guys, we are going, you know, it's a piece of fish head. Bread. Yes, beef we just done eat and they are going easy, you see me? Right now, let's see there. See there? Basically 11:30. They are still going easy. You see me? They are going easy and everything there. Make your food go and digest and all that. If you don't to full up still, but you not to full belly, you see me? So if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah man, smash the like button. I want to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the curry fish and what make it do better and all that. Just leave your comment below. Leave your opinion, leave your thoughts down below. You see me? Share the video, help me grow my big one, please. I'm not putting money, not doing them thing there. All I'm to for me, I just click like and click share and share it to your social media platforms. Them, you see me? You can screen record part of the most and just tag me up on IG and I can repost it back, you see me? Yeah man. Share the video. Subscribe if you don't subscribe it. And click all. Oh, follow my IG too. Jeff876 and Yata Adventures. The link to the page them in the description, so just click it and give me a follow on them. You see me? Yeah. Just the right people. They are going easy, you see me? Oh god. Wow. Put the ear and wash and get the comb and them thing there. But catch you now in our next video, guys. So look more.